What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I have now just upgraded the Apollo fire alarm devices to Gent fire alarm devices. I'm not joking. This is real. It's a living nightmare now. I'm just kidding. I didn't upgrade it. The engineers have upgraded it all to one of Gent heat detectors, Gent multi-sensors. I actually love it. I can't wait to see the fire alarm panel and the call point. Oh. All right, thank you. We got his Gent heat detector. Gent. Don't believe it. Get out of my nose. Oh, yes. Okay, Mama. Stand. I just don't believe it. I don't believe it. It has Gent in it. What about this one? This one might have Gent inside. Oh my God. It really does. What about the panel? Oh my God. Gent. S4. Oh my God, I just don't believe it. Gent call point 2.
We're gonna be late for the appointment.
Actually, this one has
I have
Gent.
to hold your hands. It's,
Don't believe it.
Oh, come on, quick. There's no one around.